In Baldwin County, a man accused of killing his mother and injuring his father has been giving a $1 million bond. Deputies arrested Ryan Smith after a chase.
He's now facing murder and attempted murder charges, and tonight the motive is still unclear. Our house sheriff found out Smith has been arrested in the past.
In what prosecutors are calling a senseless attack Saturday night, 67-year-old Nanette Smith was killed and her husband, Noel Smith, also injured. The suspect in the attack, their own son, 38-year-old Ryan Thomas Smith, who investigators say lived at the family home on Dominion Drive in an unincorporated area of Fairhope. When they arrived on the scene, deputies found both parents suffering severe trauma.
We do believe we've recovered the murder weapon, and we do believe that the case will end up being a blunt force injury case. But we really have to let the medical examiner examine each of the wounds and look at the wound dynamics to make final determination of what exactly caused death.
Ryan Smith was quickly identified as the suspect, and an all-points bulletin was put out on a vehicle which was missing from the residence. A short time later, investigators say the vehicle was spotted northbound on I-65, and when deputies tried to stop it, the driver, Ryan Smith, led them on a chase into Escambia County.
It turned into a pursuit, and our deputy with the grappler then took the lead, and then he deployed the grappler. He put the net, got behind the vehicle, attached the net, attached the tether, and he controlled braked the vehicle, brought it to a safe end.
The grappling device is a tool Baldwin County Sheriff Anthony Lowry has brought on board. Without going into the specifics on how it works, as with this stop of Smith's car, the department says it's had considerable success using it. Smith made his first court appearance for a bond hearing Monday. District Judge Ashley Siebert set bond at a total of $1 million on the murder and attempted murder charges. Assistant District Attorney Patrick Doggett says the bond is suitable considering the violent nature of the attacks and that Smith was fleeing the area. With the commission of multiple crimes, he also hasn't ruled out the possibility of a capital murder charge.
All of that is still being obviously considered based on as the evidence comes in. So it can always, depending on what facts arise out of the incident, it can warrant that. But right now, that part is still under investigation.
And that was our house sheriff reporting. Smith has 30 days to request a preliminary hearing. Deputies say they haven't identified a motive yet. We do know Ryan Smith has been arrested as recently as 2022 and 2023 on separate misdemeanor domestic violence charges involving acts against his parents.